Welcome to the Hear My Heart broadcast, where I talk about the matters of the heart. You can't understand a person without getting to the root, which is hearing them. I am your host, Tiffany Rochelle, affectionately known as the People's Cheerleader. Here's something I want to share about me. I'm an author, a speaker, a heart and a motivational coach, and I'm so excited that you've tuned in and we have the opportunity to grow together. I'm here to encourage and motivate you to be the best you ever. If you're feeling a little stuck or stagnated, or you're having a hard time getting over some things, please know you're not alone and that you've come to the right place and you're listening to the right person to help you through that. So let's dive into today's show of Hear My Heart. Here we grow. Hey y'all! Thank you, Outcast, for that excerpt right there. Listen, your words determines the direction of your life. And I need you to listen to me. See, whatever you say, you eventually will possess. And this is the reason you must think before you speak. Don't go into another year with the negative self-talk, beloveds. Learn to speak good things and greatness to your life. See, this year, listen twice as much as you speak. I gotta reiterate that. I want you to think about something for me, if you please. I want you to think about a horse. And yes, I did say a horse. A horse is a horse. Of course. Nevertheless, I'll leave Mr. Ed out of it. Notice how a horse is directed when it's in motion. When a belt is placed around the mouth of a horse with a rope, you have control over that, okay? So whenever a horse is in motion and you use the rope that's linked with the belt around its mouth, the horse goes in that direction. Catch the visual. When the mouth of the horse is directed to the left, which is your right, the horse goes in that direction. And when it's directed to the right, your left, it goes that way. Are you seeing? Well, just as the mouth of the horse directs the horse, so does your tongue direct your life. See, the direction of your life today is a result of the words that you used on yesterday. Think about it. So if you want to change the direction that you're going, it is going to be imperative for you to carefully choose your words to route you to your destination. See, each year we're always ready to cancel friends and wanting to get a new circle. However, if you don't change your mindset, you won't change how you pick your new set of friends. I need you to follow me. See, once you get this new set of friends using that old mindset, you won't do nothing but corrupt the new set of friends. Think about that. See, you must change you first, brothers and sisters. The change has to begin in you first. Daily, it is your responsibility to monitor, direct, and correct what comes from your mouth. Don't you blame your bad attitude or resentment on others. You alone are responsible for it. For every single thing you do, you are the one that's directly responsible for that. Grace and peace.